Now let's speak matters business before we close this particular segment in the headlines. Road and Transport Cabinet Secretary Davis Chirchir says plans are underway to establish a legal framework to support revenue ring fencing, bankruptcy-remote special purpose investment vehicles, investor protection and infrastructure-backed securities. This is amid calls by engineers for the ring fencing of revenues generated from infrastructure fund projects to attract more investments and create a sustainable financing infrastructure development. We are currently in Naivasha tracking this, and this is a recap of day 3 yesterday.
Together, let us scale green growth, build smart infrastructure, and secure a resilient future for generations to come.
Discussions on alternative funding models for mega projects took center stage at the 5th ASEC conference in Naivasha, with engineers pushing for a paradigm shift from sovereign debt to innovative funding models.
We are also inching more toward PPP, because PPP allows you to get the infrastructure using private equity.
There is infrastructure today which is bankable, an infrastructure which is mature to be off-taken by the project finance. That's basically to say private sector capital can invest and get return on their equity.
The proposed framework is expected to strengthen the bankability of infrastructure projects by giving investors greater certainty over recouping of their investments.
The catch is, when you get that money, because it is a kind of quasi-debt, it must be put in other projects that will produce more revenues, so that you create a cycle that removes you from the sovereign debt trap.
Chirchir said ring-fencing the revenue would provide legal protection against diversion of project cash flows and give investors greater confidence that revenues backing the securities will remain dedicated to the intended infrastructure projects.
Every investment should have return so that the same money is available for many other projects.
And engineers have already pronounced themselves as Kenya launches its Vision 2060 bid. They want to be sitting at the decision-making table in as far as policy is concerned, and also be part and parcel of Kenya's development agenda. I'm Regina Manyara reporting for KBC Channel 1.